Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the Codechef contest problem known as odd operations. So in this question we have been given one number, right? And in this number we can do two type of operations. One operation is like, let's take an example of one number, like we will take 1067, right? So we can do two type of operations in this number. That is, first operation is we can subtract one of the digit from this number. So here we have, in this number we have four digits, that is 1067. We can choose any one of the digits from here. We can choose any one of the digits and we can subtract that from our number. Suppose I choose 6, right? So what I can do, I can subtract 6 from here and my answer will be 1061, right? Like that we can choose also another digit or any other digit, right? So we can choose any one of the digit. This is the first type of operation which we can do. This is the first type of operation. Then what we can do, the second type of operation is what? So in second type of operation, suppose we have our initial number which is 1067. We can reorder this. We can reorder this, all the digits from here. So as per our wish, we can reorder it in any other format like 6071, right? Or any other like 7061, like this. We can reorder this, but make sure that if there is a zero, it should not come ahead. Like if we had any another number like 90, we should not reorder it in such a way that zero could come at the initial position. So make sure that as well. Okay, if this is clear, so our main, what is our agenda of this question is that we will be given one number and we have to make sure that in this is, we will be given these type of operations. One is digit subtraction and another is digit reordering. So we have to make sure in minimum number of operations we have to make that number as a odd number, right? Suppose I have been given one number like suppose we can take one number like 1092. Right now this number is odd or even? This number is even. So what we will do, we have to make it odd. And what are the operations which we can do? One is digit subtraction, another is digit reordering. So we have to make sure we have to do the minimum number of operations required to make n as an odd number. So here we can see at the starting itself that we have some odd digits present over here. So we can order it in this format like 1029. Now it is odd. So what are the, how many steps did we require to make this odd? Only one step. So one is our answer, right? Okay, now if you understood the problem, we will now discuss the approach for it, right? So first, what will be given one number, right? Then we will check whether this number is already odd or not. If it is already odd, in that case we doesn't require any steps, right? So if the number is already odd, in that case what we'll print? We'll print 0, right? If number is odd, we can directly print 0. Then what we'll do, suppose in another case, what another case could be, what? Suppose a number is even. If number is even, then there are multiple conditions which we can check. Okay, suppose if number is even, what if any digit is odd present inside that even number? So like we can I already took one example over here, this example, right? This was an even number, but it had some odd digits present inside that. So in that case, we can reorder the number. And for reordering, we will require if any odd digit is already present, then what we can do, we can do reordering. And if I do reordering, it will take just one step. So in that case, what we can do, we can directly print 1, right? But what if the number is like this? What if our number is, if it is an even number and it have already an odd digits, but suppose my number is like this, 90, right? Now what we'll do, we can't reorder it in this format, right? Because we are making 0 ahead, and this is not the correct form of reordering. Okay, so what we'll do, if you observe carefully, we can just subtract one of the digit, right? And I will be subtracting the odd digit, which is 9. So if I do 90 minus 9, I'll be getting 81, which is odd, right? So in this case also, my answer will be 1 only. You can take more examples over here and you can check. So ultimately what is happening, if the number is even and if I'm getting any one of the odd digits inside that even number, I will directly print what? I will be printing 1, right? This is clear. Now other thing could be, if the number is even and what, I didn't got any odd number, I didn't got any of the odd digits, suppose all of the digits are even digits only, right? So in that case, what will happen? In that case, suppose, let us take an example, 2468, all the digits are even in this case. So in this case, what we'll do, we will try to what we can do is, suppose 282, yeah, I'll take this example for now so you can understand it better. Yeah, so what we'll do, we'll try whatever odd digits, even digits are present over there, we will try to take the maximum digit, which is the maximum. So here 8 is the maximum. Okay, so we'll try to subtract the maximum digit from here. So if I subtract from here -8, my answer will be 24674. You can see I am getting one odd digit. So if the maximum digit is not present at the last, right, is not present as the last digit of the number, my operations will be how much? First I am subtracting, so it will take one step, one operation, and again what I'm going to do, I'm going to reorder this. So for reordering, suppose I will reorder it in such a way that my odd digit comes at last, so it will take one operation. So in this case, my total operation will become 2, right? This is the second type of case which we have to make sure if the number is even. And for all the other cases, always your output will be 3. You can take any example and try to observe that. For any other case, suppose your number is like 2468, so 8 is at the last, right? So I will first subtract 8 from here, right? So it will become 2460, right? It took +1 operation. Then what we'll do, again we'll subtract another number, like I subtracted 6, so it will take one extra operation, so 2454, right? Now I got one odd digit, so I will again reorder them. For reordering, it will take again +1, so it will take in total 3 steps, right? So in total you can see, I'm going to, if the all the numbers are also even, and if the last digit is the maximum digit present inside that number, so in that case your answer will be 3. And if I'm having some even digits but last digit is not the maximum digit, in that case my answer is 2. And if I'm having the even number but I'm having one of the odd digit present inside my even number, then the answer will be 1, right? And if the number is already odd, in that case I'm going to print 0. Now leaving these all aside, there could be one extra edge case which we should see, right? One extra edge case could be if the number is a if number have only one digit, number contains only one digit and it is even, and also it is even, like 2, 4, 6, 8. In these cases your answer is impossible, so you should print -1 in these cases, right? Because we can't convert them into an odd number. So this was my approach. I hope you understood the problem clearly and understood the approach as well. Thank you.